The 16th President of the United States of America, Abraham Lincoln, once said, and I quote, "Things may come to those who wait, but only the things left by those who hustle." It is high time you get your butt up and take action. The world does not pay you for what you know. You are paid for what you do. Enough of analyzing, organizing, and re-strategizing for many years. It is high time you took action. When you take action, you trigger all kinds of things that are necessary to carry you to your success. When you take action, you let the people around you know that you are serious in your intention, and they wake up every day and they pay attention. When you take action, people with similar goals get aligned with you. When you take action, you begin to get feedbacks about how to do it better, more efficiently, and more quickly. When you take action, you learn things from your experience, those things that you cannot learn just by listening to others or reading books. When you take action, things that once appeared difficult begin to look easier. When you take action, things that once seemed confusing begins to become clear. When you take action, people begin to get attracted to you. People who are ready to support and encourage you. When you take action, you unlock the first key to greatness. So enough of analyzing, planning, and re-strategizing. It is high time you get your butt up and take action.